check airway, and I will use my finger pointer to remove the obstruction.
Pointer finger.
Finger pointer to remove the obstruction.
Pointer finger.
To remove the obstruction. Remove the obstruction. Remove the obstruction.
And so you must scoop it out. Sabi mo sa tiyan, then scoop it out.
Yeah, let's do it out. Rock and roll. Positive obstruction removed using my finger pointer. Sorry.
Tapos na.
Negative obstruction. Checking breathing for 10 seconds. 1, 1001, 1002,
1,
1000.
1,002.
1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, and 1010. And,
Negative.
negative,
Breathing. Until lang dito ka kagawin, no?
Yeah, ano,
negative pulse, negative breathing,
Negative breathing lang.
okay. Negative breathing, the victim experiencing cardiac.
Kaya ano bang ano yan? Paudibo. Baka yung job.
Hindi niya mabasa ang sarili niyang sulat.
Negative breathing, give 2 quick blows.
Yun.
Chin up, head tilt, chin up, chin lift, pinch nose, blow, release, 1001.
Hindi.
I'm sorry.
Ano lang?
Tulang pala.
nagtitig ka.
Head tilt, chin lift, pinch nose, blow. Release, head tilt, chin lift, pinch nose, blow, release.
Pag magre-release ka, kailangan nakatapat mo kayo.
Okay. Head tilt, head tilt, chin lift, pinch nose, blow, release.
Isa pa.
Head tilt, chin lift, pinch nose, blow, release.
Next.
And then,
Check.
check circulation for every 10 seconds.
For 10 seconds.
For 10
Check
seconds.
ventilation.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006,
Ventilation pala ng sabi ko,
1,008, 1,009, and 1,010. Okay?
Negative.
Then, negative pulse, negative breathing, the victim experiencing the cardiac arrest. The guy with the blue shirt, please call 911 to follow up the EMS. Ang tagal.
Nagagalit.
For 30 compression and 2 ventilation and 5
Nangingi pa ng tulong.
Ano? Ayusin. Ayusin. Hey. Bakit ang form na kami kung mababalian ka din? Ayan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3,
Pilaya na.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Thank you.
Head tilt, chin
Head,
lift.
head tilt, chin lift, pinch nose, blow, release.
Isa pa.
Head tilt, chin lift, pinch nose, blow, release.
Cycle 5.
Second 5.
1.
1,
Kasi
2,
huwag
3.
masyadong ano.
Sorry.
Kasi ang ano lang ay, ang depth lang ng adult ay 2 inch. Yan lang dapat. Pagka sobrang ano na, malalim, compress, babalian.
Pilay.
So,
1, 2,
Yan.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Kusgan kayo ka.
13, 14, 15,
Yan.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Ay, 5. 2. Head tilt, chin lift, pinch nose, blow, release. Head tilt, chin lift, pinch nose, blow, release.
5 cycle na gas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5.
Head tilt,
No.
head tilt, chin lift.
Head tilt, chin lift, pinch nose, blow, release. Head tilt, chin lift, pinch nose, blow, release.
Next.
Check circulation
And breathing.
and breathing for 10 seconds.
Narutin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. And positive pulse, negative breathing. The victim is experiencing respiratory arrest. The guy with the blue shirt, please call 911 to monitor the EMS. And now I rescue breathing for 24 ventilation for every 4 hours.
Ang tagal-tagal naman nun.
24 seconds. Rescue breathing, sorry, sir. Rescue breathing, 24 ventilation for every 4 seconds. Minsan sa pagod ako talaga. Bye. Sawa na. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Pinch, nose, chin,
Head,
lip.
heel,
Sorry.
knee, blow,
Head, heel, chin, lip, pinch, nose, blow. Release. Head.
1001?
1001, 1002, 1003, and
1.
1.
Yes.
Chin, chin.
head,
Head,
heel,
heel, chin, lip, pinch, nose, blows, release. 1001, 1002, 1003, 2.
head,
Head, heel, chin, lip, pinch, nose, blows, release. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and 4. 1003 and 4. 4.
Saan
Head,
tayo
heel, chin.
mamimili? Saan tayo mamimili?
Three na lang, three na lang.
The last 5 points. The last 5. Para kung ano nila sa mga maintindihan nila lahat.
Okay, okay.
Eh, sana all.
Kami pa sila kaintindihan.
Pinch, nose, blows, release. 1001, 1002, 1003, and
6.
24.
Siya na yung nag-decide sa sarili niya.
Perfect na siya. Checking circulation, breathing for 10 seconds. Checking circulation, breathing for 10 seconds. Okay, checking circulation tayo. Head, tail, chin, lip. Ay, copy pala, sorry.
Sabi niya, I'm going to present the perfect.
1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 2008, 2009, 2010. The victim, positive pulse, positive breathing. The victim has been revived. It's a miracle. So, I lift you up in a recovery
Wow,
position.
yan ka.
Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding, ding. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Recovery position. This is the recovery position, guys.
Confident na ka.
No blood, decap, DTLS. No pain, no blood, decap, DTLS. No pain, no blood, decap, DTLS. And no pain, no blood, decap, DTLS. No pain, no blood, decap, DTLS. And no pain, no blood, decap, DTLS. And sir, I will lead you again to your point position.
Lift you again or turn you back?
Ang daming mali.
Sir, 3, 2, 1.
Hindi, sir, dito.
Ay, sorry.
Yan, hit. Yan, yan. Yung yan, sa baba.
3, 2, 1. Right? Alright. Interview, document findings, and monitor vital signs. Endorse the victim to EMS when it's arrived.
Meron na akong pagkakatiwala.